Becoming fluent in English can seem like a daunting task. However, like any journey, the most difficult part is often taking the first step. Follow these 5 easy steps to make your English sound more fluent starting today. But before we begin, my name is Emma and I'm your personal teacher. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification. And now let's get started. Number 1, smile and breathe. No matter what your level of English, confidence is vital. When you speak English, smiling will make you feel more confident. It might even help you make some new friends. Make sure to take time to breathe while you are speaking too. If you get stuck for what to say, just pause, take a breath, and you will feel your confidence returning. Number 2, memorize examples with vocabulary. Don't just memorize lists of words. Make sure to include examples too. If you are using flashcards, write a whole sentence on each card, so you know how to use the words in context. Make the examples as memorable as possible with a funny story, or use something related to your life to help them stick in your mind. Number 3, listen to learn. When listening to English radio, news or movies, pay close attention to what you hear. Keep a notebook to write down new phrases. And look up or ask your teacher about any that you don't understand. If you are speaking to a native speaker, don't be afraid to ask them to explain any idioms or expressions that you don't understand. Learning from the real world will make your English more relevant and natural than learning from a textbook. Number 4, exercise your mouth muscles. English probably uses some sounds that you don't have in your first language. To make these sounds accurately, you need to develop the muscles in your mouth by exercising them. Practice speaking loudly and clearly at home and record yourself to make sure you are doing it right. Exaggerate each sound when you practice alone, and you will find it easier to speak clearly in a normal conversation. Number 5, copy a native speaker. You can learn a lot from mimicking the way a native speaker speaks. Choose someone whose voice you like and find a recording of them speaking. Select a few sentences in the recording and practice saying them yourself exactly how they sound on the recording. Pay attention to the sound of each syllable and which words are stressed. Remember, however you practice your spoken English, keep it fun and relevant. Practice a variety of techniques and do it regularly to reach your goal of speaking fluent English. That's it for today, guys. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. Bye-bye.